What's happening? Welcome to my amazing news show. I am your host, Scottyallenday. This is where I find articles, write it on paper, lose the tablet, forget about it, type it on my computer, lose the file, and finally get the video done for you. Today's gnarly subject, do's and dudettes, says hip-hop fallout blames growing cough syrup abused, exposed. We'll be right back after the break. Hey, Bodacious Beasts, if you follow this story closely, I will give you some shocking news. Let's talk about rappers and this lean addiction. The lean is half codeine cough syrup and half soda pop. Codeine is an opiate that is part of the heroin, oxycodone, fentanyl family. The drug gives the user of high or happiness and drunkenness due to the alcohol. And it also causes drowsiness, or what other people say will relax them after the drug wears off. So combining this with soda, they are merely hiding the nasty taste of cough syrup that we all hated when we were kids. There's a reason they made this taste nasty so it's not abused. So let's stop here for a minute. There's a country in Africa called Zimbabwe that currently has a massive cough syrup with codeine epidemic that is affecting over 50% of the youths in that country. It is known that cough syrup in high amounts will eat away at your teeth, give you respiratory problems. Now, why on earth are rappers resorting to the poor man's high? Rappers are performers that use it often as if they're on a morphine crash. I mean, have you seen Lil Pump videos lately? He looks like a stinking zombie. The music starts to sound lazy and repetitive and often douchey. Yeah, I said douchey. But if you don't believe me, listen to Lil Pump's current video, Be Like Me, Be Like Me, Be Like Me, Be Like Me. I gotta get that broken record changed. But I'm not even going to link this in the description because I don't even support his reasoning. I mean, Offset, who was dating Cardi B, risked destroying his relationship due to him not producing quality content. But the high and the happiness that's created by the abuse is, well, not a party at all. The withdrawal period is harder because the user creates the highs, the lean, as the lean also induces sleep afterwards. I mean, Lil Pump at the beginning of 2018 vowed to quit lean and Xanax after a fellow rapper, Lil Peep, sorry about that, overdosed on Xanax and lean. I remember back in the 90s when the rap culture was making a splash, rappers were all about smoking a blunt, you know, the weed and beer. Yeah, drinking a 40 and an 8-ball MD 2020 and Boone's wine. Speaking of Boone's, I still like Boone's wine. That's right. Let's get all this let's get all the rappers out here and sit them at the table and try to booze the 90s rappers loved. According to the extensive research on this addiction, treatment is difficult to rehabilitate from this high. I mean, how can a rapper or hip-hop change this dangerous culture? I say make them board a plane and go to Zimbabwe and see firsthand the damage that it does to the culture of the people that want to be just like them. And they don't even know they exist. I mean, I'm a music buff. I love music from all genres, and I love following the evolution of new music, while watching the older, more popular music make amazing comebacks. Drugs been a popular culture of music for many, many years. But as far as the drug that is supposed to be something to cure a simple cough, is now being used as a recreational drug. I mean, come on. What do you guys think of this mess? Let me know in the comment section below. I mean, they're abusing cough syrup. How dumb can you really get? I mean, cough syrup? I mean, cough syrup with codeine, to the point where they're not even producing the top quality content that actually got them where they were in the first place. Instead, they're just sounding like broken records in their music, and their music, even the tones, even the sounds are horrible. And then you look at them and they're walking around like they're some from the Walking Dead about ready to get their, get the inner zombie taken care of, because of they're walking around just like that. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Well, wait! There's a 12-foot tall ice cream sandwich outside. Oh my God, I gotta dig in. Well, but before I go, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Slam that like button. Share with your friends. My Twitter and Instagram name is up on the screen above my head. Well, you Bodacious Beasts, I'm off to the gym. I can't get any younger sitting down. You gotta keep on surfing.